Good morning, folks. Mud Grip Mike here. Thanks for tuning in. Got a little Jeep work today, but no, it's not on that one. That one's running okay. This thing right here is a 21 Jeep. You open the hood and what do you see? Acres of crap in there that the engineers and environmentalists, I guess, have ruined automobiles. And there is so much crap under there, it's impossible. Mechanics don't work on them, technicians do. And you go over here, in a simpler time, you've got a distributor for fire, you got a carburetor for gasoline, and if you had those two, this baby would run. And it's been running like that for going on 75 years. That's a 51 model. This 21 model here, I doubt it'll be running in 5 years from now. But I've got to change out that leaking oil cooler that's hid up underneath the air intake. Here's the only place of it you can see is right here where the filter is. What a shame. Engineers, man. Well, they always said engineers and O-rings was going to ruin the oil field. Well, they've ruined the automobiles too.